Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today, I am going to do a review about a smartphone attachment tripod holder. I don't know what you can call this. I bought this 3 years ago. And then this part broke. Can you see? So it couldn't hold my phone. What I do is I put the phone here. So I paid like $9 for this, but it only lasted 3 years, and I was very careful, but I don't know how this happened. So I went back to Amazon, and the provider that I bought this wasn't selling the same. I'm holding the camera while I'm taping because I wanted to show you this. There are more expensive ones, but I don't know how long they will last, so that's another thing. I had to put glue on it because this thing came off, as you can see. It's not that super quality stuff, but what can you do? So this part broke. Can you see? Let me see if I can show it to you. Okay, here's that plastic thing. Can you see? Yeah, that thing broke that was attached to here somewhere. Is this one. So this broke. This piece broke, and it couldn't hold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this in the garbage, but I'm going to take this out because I might need to use that one. But let me see if it's going to fit to that one. The new one the one arrived. So this is what this looks. It was pretty sturdy. Like I used it for 3 years, and I was taping like every day mostly, especially TikTok. I don't know what's up with Instagram. My phone is not working. So every time I try to share a video through TikTok, it says to log in, and it's like blank. So if you guys know anything, let me know. I try to Google it, search it. It looks like I'm not the only one. And there were lots of negative feedback on their app as well. So this is what it is. So this part, it was included to this tripod. So let me just, so the package arrived like this. I was just shocked they didn't wrap it or anything. So I'm hoping that it's the same quality. It's made in China. I could have ordered it through AliExpress, but unfortunately, you know, the shipping takes forever, right? So I went and bought, like the seller wasn't selling, so I searched and I found another seller. So I paid $9 for this, and let me just show you on my Amazon. Okay, so on Amazon, I paid $10.88. I found this. And I'm hoping it's the same quality. At least if it can, you know, last for another 3 years, that's okay. Because they are very expensive, like $300, $200, $100. And I don't want to pay that much money, right? $10 is decent. Even $10 expensive. Right? Let's see. So I'm going to open this package because I need 2 hands. And I'll be right back. Okay, I don't think it's the same quality. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I need 2 hands to. Okay, yeah, see? Oh my goodness. Oh, well, this one has that thingy on. So, let me see if I can. This one looks smaller than this one. No, they're the same, aren't they? Well, this metal is better quality here when I'm comparing it to this one. Can you see? They look alike. I hope can you see this the aluminum thing is, this one's way better quality. Oh, this is really tough. Okay, let's see. I'm going to remove this and then put this on. I wish I could put the camera on this, but yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just looking at this. Can you see the screw? This one has a metal, the old one, and this one doesn't have anything. I don't think this will last for 3 years. Because it's all plastic. Can you see? This one has the yellow. This one has the white. Yeah, I have to be very cautious when I'm using this one though. It's really, I don't think it's that quality. Okay, let me screw this to this and wipe this dust. How dusty this is. Oh my goodness. I'll be right back. Okay, I wiped it. I bought this tripod years ago. I would say over a decade. Let me wipe this as well at Best Buy for, I believe, I can't, maybe $20. Okay, so I screwed this to this. It's a little bit tight, but yeah, we have to try and see. So okay, I'm going to try to put the phone. I'm gonna see my. Yeah, this is a little bit. Oh, it says 3.5, but this doesn't stretch that long. Oh, I'm so scared that it's gonna crack. Oh, I don't like the quality of this one. This one was way better. Maybe I've been used to this one. I don't know. Yeah, because this one easily gets up, see? This one doesn't pull up that easily. Yeah, I don't think I would recommend. I wish it was the same quality, but it's not. Let me try it again. I'm going to be very cautious to put this on here. Okay, I ended up putting it securely, but I have to be very cautious while I'm using it. I don't know. I will just give you, I just wanted to show you how the quality is. Like this piece, I used it for 3 years. I don't know how long I'm going to use this one. I don't think it's going to last. So I'm trying, what I'll do is I will put money aside and try to buy a better quality because I'm using my tripod all the time, right? Yeah, maybe the new tripod has these attachments so I don't have to buy new ones every time. So I was kind of, I thought about gluing this, but the phone is heavy, right? I thought it won't not carry it, so I didn't want to, go through that. Maybe I can have a way to fix this. But no. I'm not going to throw this away. I might use it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, I'll use this for sure, because maybe the other one will, something will happen. But this one was really nice. See how it goes up? This one doesn't. I had a hard time pulling it up, but it did work. Yeah. Oh well. I don't want to be a hoarder, so I'll just throw this in this trash right over there. And ta-da. Meanwhile, while I was at it, my MacBook Air, the cord, here's the original one. The cord, these, see what happens? It's like a rabbit chewed it or a mice chewed it, but no, guess, wear and tear. I bought the laptop in 2014, and this one as well. From here, I tried to tape it, you know, try to secure it. But what was happening was there were no power because of the wire, I guess. Because of the wire, when I was plugging in, there was no, because of these wires, I guess, especially here. Here. So what I did is I went and I ordered through Amazon. I was kind of hesitate because usually I go to Apple store to buy, you know. But they're so expensive there, like $90 plus GST you have to pay, right? I want to keep this just in case. So I bought the new one. Let me just show it to you. The plug is the same. See, it's nice and clean. Nothing happened yet. And it has a sign here. Isn't this odd? I don't know what this means. And it had this plastic on it. I thought that was unique. You know, so it's secured, but it works. So it does work. So I went to if you want me to put the links, if you need a new one. So I paid like $20, $21. Here it is. I didn't pay $21, I paid $28. See? Replacement Mac, Book Air, 45 watt. Because we have another MacBook. That one is 60 watts. So my husband, he's using that laptop. So I might need to order his. So I already put that in my wish list here. You guys have a wish list? I don't know, but I do have a wish list. See, I found this for cars, but I'm not quite sure about the mirror. So for my husband's, his is cheaper, and it's a 60 watt. And what I do, I look by Amazon, fulfilled by Amazon. So just to be on the safe side, I don't even look at the reviews. It does the work. That's the main thing, right? Here, see, the power is working. So that's what I'm looking for. It came in a box like this. This is made in China again. I could have ordered through AliExpress, but I didn't want to wait that long, right? I didn't even bother. I just went through Amazon because I'm happy I ordered it because this stopped working today. That's another thing, and it arrived today. So I just wanted to give you feedback about the attachment and the cord, the charger cord for my MacBook. And yeah, definitely Amazon, I think, is the best place to go. Because if I went through the Apple, this was going to cost me $100, even to drive to the West End. They're located at the West Edmonton Mall. Years ago, I'm sure they're still there. So yeah, Amazon is the best place to go and buy your needs. But I'm going to be still looking for attachment for my tripod, because I'm not happy with this one. If you guys know any, let me know. I would really appreciate it. Yeah, you guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.